Unique, elegant, smooth, stylish, brisk, comfortable, passionate. Unique DS Motors Private Limited. Every morning is a beginning of a new day, and every new day brings a fresh and mellow thought, new desires and new tasks, which confers on us the belief of being the noblest of all creatures. A different identification of ours, a vehicle which is absolutely designed and manufactured according to the needs of the public. When DS Motors started the company and thought to put up a factory, the most important issue was to fix a plant at an unpolluted place, and the other important issue was to get manpower. Keeping these issues in mind, the DS Motors selected the city of Hyderabad, which is known as another important center of trade and industry of Pakistan. Keeping their hardships in view, the DS Motors Private Limited decided to provide more chances of employment and to effectuate the abilities of citizens of Hyderabad, and so fixed its plant here on 12 acres where more than 400 workers work. All the machinery has been designed keeping human preservation in mind, due to which the chance of any trouble or danger to human lives is almost none. The DS Motors began their developing journey in 2004 from a UD4 motorcycle, and its name was set as Unique. Later on, they developed many other motorcycles. DS Motors aims to make the availability of all the products easier to you, and with this aim, the DS Motors introduced the first super quality and comparatively low priced motorcycle in 2004. Then people joined time by time and made the caravan and moved on and on. By their hardships and efforts, the DS Motors has built a strong relation with its dealers and buyers, which is proof of the success of DS Motors Private Limited. DS Motors Private Limited has offices in almost all the big and small cities of Pakistan. 16 offices are in the province of Sindh, 9 in Punjab, 2 in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and 2 in the province of Balochistan. Its head office and plant is situated in Hyderabad. These are the cities from where the products made under the flag of DS Motors Private Limited are supplied to all parts of Pakistan. Unique UD 100cc, Unique UD 125cc, Unique UD 70cc, Unique motorcycle rickshaw, Unique petrol CNG auto rickshaw, Unique generators 1 up to 6 kVs. While solving the troubles of cargo, the DS Motors Private Limited shaped Unique petrol CNG loader and cargo, which is a 4-stroke forced water-cooled 250cc engine. While converting the problems of traffic into a facility, the DS Motors Private Limited presented Unique Petrol CNG Lamletta, Unique Petrol CNG Minicab, Minicab Deluxe, 6-seated auto rickshaw, 8-seated auto rickshaw, 9-seated auto rickshaw, Unique Petrol CNG Double Cabin, 4-stroke forced water-cooled 250cc engine and 5000 RPM power. A vehicle which is absolutely designed and manufactured according to the needs of the public. The gist of the untiring effort and hard work. These are manufactured by compiling the new technology all together. The motorcycles which are not unique by name only, but by their performances too. While all spare parts are of most dignified and supreme quality and concordant to the modern demands. Allah has blessed the human being with the ability to think, to understand and to act upon. In our factory, we don't only rely on the machines, but we also keep faith in human proficiency and on the demands of our customers too, because we know your desire, your need. The human brain and the technical eye become a means of a new invention, and by giving the supremacy on a human being upon a machine and on a machine upon a human being, because Unique motorcycles recognize the credence of your faith. Unique motorcycles and Unique rickshaws. Each spare part of Unique is the reflecting mirror of proficiency. Our expert workers prepare a Chinchi rickshaw in 30 minutes, which is dignified and prestigious, with which the journey is comfortable, easy, smooth and affordable. Our aim is to introduce the products for every class of society, which could bring an ease, comfort and luxury while staying in their scanty earning. Our trained staff makes unique motorcycles and unique chinchi rickshaws. Our mission is to provide the products which make long and short journeys easier. No matter how long your journey is, no matter how difficult and laborious your way is, in the journey of the sunshine and shade, we join you with your dear ones. DS Motors Private Limited.